Move to the calculus button. Let's go down where it says we'll be finding the derivative by the definition. And that's actually the problem we want to look at right there. It says find the derivative using the definition. So we have y is equal to negative 14. Y is equal to negative 14. So let's take a look at that. We have y is equal to negative 14. Now we want to find the derivative, and that is we want to find y prime, okay? Y prime. So a little different notation here. We want to find y prime. Now this is a constant, so that ought to tell you something. What this is, if you watched 2-1, okay, you ought to know automatically what that is. Maybe know the pattern. Let's go ahead and write the definition up here. F prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Now if you've never seen this, you want to watch, click on number 1 there and watch the video. I've got kind of an explanation of where this comes from and what it's doing, what it's going to do for us. Now we're using y. Okay, don't let that mess you up. We're using y here, and of course up here we got function notation. Okay, and so don't let that confuse you. Right, we want to be flexible on this stuff. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this up here. Okay, so in other words, we're going to say we're going to let f of x equal negative 14. So if you've been doing this in class, using f of x, and all of a sudden the teacher throws, find the derivative of y, find y prime or something, and oh my god, and you've never done that before, you're going to really be messed up. So anyway, just write it out like this right here. Okay. All right. Let's tell you, I need to 1 second here. Just 1 second. Okay, taking up too much time. What's going on here? I'm trying to set a color. Alright, I got it. Got it. Maybe. Huh. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, forgot what I was doing. So let's find f. Ended up with some kind of pink, it looks like. F of x plus delta x. Well, of course, there's no x over here to plug x plus delta x into. And so we end up just rewriting negative 14. That's it, right? Now let's go up here and do this. So we end up with, and I'm going to write it actually out, and in the last video I didn't do this in 2-1. F prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0. And of course, what is this? It's just this right here, right? Negative 14 minus f of x. Of course, that's going to be negative 14, and that's all over delta x. And we, of course, rewrite this, the limit as delta x approaches 0. What happens up here, this just becomes 0 over delta x. And of course, remember this is still f prime of x here. And now I'm just going to rewrite this. F prime of x is equal to, and We just keep rewriting. Maybe we don't skip any steps. All right, and the limit of 0 is just 0. So what is f prime of x equal to? It's f prime of x is equal to 0. But remember, we started with this notation here. So y prime is 0. Y prime is 0. Okay? That's simple. All right, that's simple. So you're going to look at this and go, well, the derivative of a constant is always 0. Okay? That's going to be a pattern you should see now. Hopefully. All right. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye.